Hey lovely parents, please subscribe to our channel Mum&Bub World and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload something new. So friends, recently I came to know about a diaper brand name allter. So thought to give it a try for my baby. So I ordered it from Amazon. Actual price was $999, but I got it for $849. Here is the packaging I received. I always disinfect any packages I receive from online delivery by this Dettol disinfectant. To every corner of the package. Now I'm opening it. This is robust packaging. Here comes our hero. Okay, it's impressive. I'm taking it out. Give me some seconds. So I ordered 22 diapers of XL size. My baby wears XL size. It says soft, snug, sustainable, and a cute sloth hanging over there with her baby wearing diaper. So it says 100% bamboo, 100% smiles, super dry performance, elemental chlorine free, fragrance free, hypoallergenic. You can see here the dimension and the type of material given. This is Velcro type. And the size given. I ordered this cute little feet design inside. Okay, goodness of bamboo. So you can see the size mentioned here. Now here comes the diaper. You can see it's quite larger compared to Mammy Poco Pant or Pampers Premium Care. It is very soft as handkerchief. You can see the cute little print over there. And now I am opening the package. Give me some second, guys. So here I take out one diaper for testing it. You can see it's really large in length. It has wetness indicators also. Those cute little feet. Now I should check the inside material also. It has, the Velcro is good, impressive, stretchable back, and the sheet is quite soft, really soft with some beading, but the wing seems to be weak a little. I think wings shouldn't be a matter of concern, should it? Okay, here is the whole view of the diaper. Actually, my camera is giving me nuts right now. So I made wear this diaper to my baby. You can see it has stretchable back and it covers the whole diaper area, even the bump area. Mammy Poco Pant doesn't cover the bump area. Baby's bump seems to be exposed while he is wearing Mammy Poco Pant, but this diaper covers the whole bump area, which is really impressive. Now I'm doing a liquid test, dryness test on this typo, but getting a little disappointed because its soaking capacity is not that impressive. You can see the liquid coming out. So guys, I hope this review helps you. This is overall review of allter diaper. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you.